dito sa amin. Sa kapitbahay.
Excuse me. Excuse me, everyone. I just want to see your lemon. Lemon. Different lemon from my house. Lemon tree. Hi, good. Hi, everyone. Everyone, hello. Ang dami nilang ano, oh. Oh, marami din silang lamok. Ang dami nilang lemon. Lemon fruits is the tree. That one is a durian tree. That one is a hanging bridge. Hi everyone, thank you for watching.